Yan for us, baby. Come on.
Ayoko na, babe.
Bakit? Why is it not for me? I said everything naman na.
Babe. Ayoko na.
No, hindi pwede. My family loves you. My mom thinks you're super handsome. Please don't leave me naman. I need you, honey, please.
Babe, sabi ko, ayoko na!
No, no, no. I'll be nice with one. I'll be sweeter. I'll text you everything. I promise you. You're emotionally.
Sabi ko, ayoko na! Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Ano?
I give you everything. What else do you want from me? Tagal naman ng effect nito. Boy. Dear Jenna, my boyfriend has left me today. I feel so bad because I gave him everything, but he left me without any reason. I feel like the ugliest woman on earth right now.
Bunny, 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 bunny.
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 Bunny, 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 bunny. Bunny, 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 bunny.
Hi, I'm Zenyu.
Hello, I'm Rusty. Sobrang cute! ASL please.
20 female sulata. Ikaw.
24, male. Amnesia.
My ever dearest Rusty. You light the fire within. Every hour I think of you. Every day I love you. My life was in desperate isolation. But when I found you, I got my inspiration. Love me with all your heart and promise that we will never be apart.
Sa mundong aking kinamulatan, ikaw ay naging paraiso sa aking ginagalawan.